Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nelo here with a beautiful face. So you guys, today's wig is from Ali Pearl, and I'm excited to try this wig because I've been enjoying trying straight wigs recently. There's just something really easy about straight wigs. Like, you don't have to do too much. So the box came with this hairband, you guys know, to tie down your edges, and it also came with this brush to lay down those edges. Then it came with a HD wig cap, which you guys know is very thin and very nice, and it came with this mirror, which is so cute. As in, I love this mirror. It's going to be my handbag. And finally, you get a bag to store your wig inside. Guys, for the start of the show, this wig looks and feels so good. What? Let me start from showing you guys how plucked this wig is. Can you guys see that? Can you see this plucking? Tell me that this is not perfection. It is plucked to perfection. And look at how lush it looks. Oh, so lush, so bouncy. I cannot wait to try this wig on. And this wig is 18 inches. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. You guys can see it is cut really well, like zigzag line. I hope you guys can see this. It's really, really zigzag. So it's going to look like really good and natural. I'm so excited to try on this wig. Oh, and I like that it's 18 inches because when I wear straight hair, I actually love when it's short or when it's like overly long. And this 18 inches for me is the perfect length. Obviously, it's different from the bob. So it's either you're wearing a bob, this, or a really long one. Anything in between, I don't know. And this wig is so full. Like, it's not heavy, but you can see how full it is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really, really full. I like when hairs are like full but not heavy. It gives that full look, full vibe, but not like with the weight that comes with hair that is too full. Do you guys get? That's the vibe I'm getting with this wig, and I'm so excited. So like I said, it is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. So this is a 5x5 by the way, you guys can see. So you can actually wear this as a side part or center part. I'm going to be wearing it as a center part today because that's how it came. And I don't even have to do anything. You guys will see me just put this wig on completely glueless. We're not using any glue, no like glue spray, nothing, just completely glueless. The only thing I'm going to use is probably a mousse to style it, but a mousse is not a glue, so zero glue today. But anyways, let's go on and put this wig on. So you guys already know I'm going to like hold my edges. Anyways, let's go on and put this wig on. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so it has this adjustable band to wear it with, and I'm just going to adjust this. I normally put it somewhere in the middle, like I don't want it too tight, but I don't want it too loose, just so it fits the shape of my head. And you also get clips to use to secure it like tight on your head, so that even if you move your head, no matter how you move it, it's not going anywhere. So it has like 3 clips around, and then this band for you to put on the wig with. So I'm just going to use this band and put on the wig. Seriously, you guys, it doesn't get more perfect than this. Like, no, seriously, like, can you see this? There's no glue here. Like, see, there is no single glue. You can see how it's lifting, and then once I let it go, it's just flat. Seriously, this is the ultimate wear and go wig. I'm so happy, and I love the volume. Can you guys tell? Like, I love the volume. Like, there's just something about the volume. And see what I'm saying about the length? Like, it's not bob, but it's not too long. So it's just like the perfect length. I'll just film myself. Guys, I seriously don't have to do anything whatsoever to this wig. I'm only just adding little mousse just so it lies as flat as possible. But I'm not going to be using like any glue, any spray glue, nothing. This is just hair mousse. I'm going to show you guys when I'm done. But I just want to like do my very best to make it look the best, because you already know that it looks good. Like, it already looks good. But I cannot imagine if I like put in a little work, how amazing it's going to look. So I just put on glue, and then I'm going to use hot comb just to flatten here a little bit. So you guys can already see like the difference it makes. It's still a bit wet now, so let's flatten it. This hands down has to be one of my favorite wigs ever. You guys, this wig is so easy. Like, it's so nice. I love the volume. I love the length, the texture. Seriously, there is no single thing I don't like about this wig. Ali Pearl, you guys, 10 over 10, okay? I rate this wig a 10 over 10. You guys need to go and check out this wig. Trust me when I tell you, you need to go and check out this wig. It's literally your everyday wig, but also your glam wig. Do you understand? It is so easy that you can wear it every day, but it looks so good that you can glam it up and make it look anyhow you want it. I'm obsessed. I love it. Guys, look at me now. I mean, look at your babe now. Seriously, look at me now. 10 over 10 minus nothing, okay? All the links you need, all the details you need, you will find in my description box. So make sure to check it out. You guys, if there's any discount or any extra details you need to know, it's always there. You need to go and check out Ali Pearl, like right now, okay? Easter is over. If you know about your Easter week, now is the time to shop for your Christmas week. You guys know the way the economy is going. You need to come shop for your Christmas wigs right now, because I mean, anyways, you guys know that whenever I do these videos, I feel myself a little too much, but it is highly justified, 100% justified. I was actually having a bad day before this video, but now I'm like, I have all the energy. I feel good to carry on with my day. And you guys already know that I have to go and let people see this face now, because it cannot waste. Shasha, check out my description for all the details you need. Ali Pearl, 10 over 10. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.